Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix unable to remove there is an active subscription on this account. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this video I will show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open settings, and from here guys you have to make sure that you are properly connected on internet, and after that scroll it below, then tap on journal and tap on software update and make sure that there is no update on your device. If there have any update, then simply update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply go back, tap on VPN and device management, and from here guys disconnect VPN if it is connected, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open your profile. From here guys you have to just simply tap on subscription, and wait some second, and after that cancel your subscription if there have any subscription, and after that simply go back and tap on payment and shipping, and again wait some second, and after that delete your payment method from here, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helped you. If you like the video please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.